Good morning, everybody. Got another large soft style here. Been soaking in our soda ash, sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes to an hour. We're gonna twist it up and put some color on it. What pattern you got planned for this one?
I'm just going for a spiral on this one, but I'm gonna try my all green.
The all green spiral. I've been looking forward to this one. Yeah, we've been doing some other patterns, people, don't worry. But we promised to do a spiral of all different, like do each color of spiral. Since the blue one, we're gonna do a green one, a yellow one, a pink one.
Because we have various
shades of every color.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do one of each because people have been requesting them of all various colors. So the blue one was a very hot commodity. Both of the blue ones we did were super hot commodities. They went really quick. We even did more of them. I think there's some on Etsy now if y'all still are interested in a blue one like that. There's a couple more on there. And this green one will probably make it on there as well. Ooh.
There we go.
There. Had a hiccup in spiral in there. She's gotten quite proficient at these spirals though, people. She definitely makes a good spiral. It on up. Perfect little 6-window spiral.
You know,
that's
these are 8 windows.
Spiral.
Yes,
yeah, 8-window spiral. Sorry. Well, no, we've done 6-window. We do 6 windows of color all the time. That's why I say a 6-window spiral, people. Because of how many windows of color we put on it, not how many windows of bands. So yes, I guess it's an 8-window spiral because we're doing a 4-color on this one. What do we have first there?
This is lime pop.
Lime pop. The lime pop sure does pop. It looks really cool.
We have granny apple.
Granny apple. I love the granny apple. Yeah.
You gotta check me on this back side, Daddy. Make sure I'm getting all my spots.
I will.
Alright. We have our custom green color.
Custom green.
Should be just slightly darker
Than the granny apple. It is. Just a little bit. It's a pretty nice green color. Homemade green. More lime pop.
And then more granny apple.
More granny apple. Yes, this will be a 3-color. That's what I thought. And then more custom green. So we have lime pop, granny apple, and custom green, which custom green is just 1 part lemon yellow, 1 part sky blue. It makes a nice dark, cool green. Flippity flippity flop.
Okay.
Some more custom green.
It should be here.
Right there. Yeah. A little bit right there. Right in there. Yeah, you got it. Perfect. I knew that one was going to be hard to hit, that little spot. Then we have some lime pop. Scared me a little bit too. Just a doggo. Lime pop. And then we got another bottle of lime pop right there, ready to go.
Granny apple.
Granny apple. Granny apple green. Oh yeah. It's gonna be a nice tri-green. Spearmint. Triple mint. That's gonna be a beautiful one, I bet. Looks really cool so far. Whole plethora of greens. To the drying rack.
Yeah, there's one spot I thought I missed, but maybe I got it. Alright, to the drying rack.
To the drying rack.
It's gonna go on the bottom.
Bottom shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to wash it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.